In times of crisis, clean water can mean the difference between life and death. Aquatabs Granules are trusted by emergency responders and communities around the world in humanitarian crises, disaster relief, and daily life. This video will show you how to safely and effectively use Aquatabs Granules to disinfect water step by step. Before you begin, always wear protective gloves and safety goggles. Work in a well-ventilated area to ensure your safety while handling the granules. Step 1. Add 20 g of Aquatabs Granules to 1 litre of clean water to create a 1% solution. That's 10,000 milligrams per litre. If a weighing scales isn't available, use 6 level teaspoons. Step 2. Stir the solution thoroughly until the granules are completely dissolved. Step 3. Use this 1% solution to disinfect large volumes of water. Step 4. After adding the required volume of your 1%, stir the water well to ensure even distribution. Step 5. Let the water sit for 30 minutes to allow proper disinfection. Step 6. Test the chlorine level using a chlorine test strip. Ensure the chlorine level is between 2 milligrams per litre and 5 milligrams per litre. If it is too low, repeat the disinfection process. Clean water saves lives. Aquatabs Granules make it simple, effective, and safe wherever you are.